Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be updating how to fund your prepaid ad account on Meta. So a lot of you, sometimes your phone starts misbehaving, it doesn't respond well. So this is an additional method you could use to fund your ad account. In case you're unable to do that on the Facebook app, the Instagram app, the Meta Business Suite app, and the Meta Ads Manager mobile app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how else you can fund your prepaid ad account on any browser. It could be the default browser of your phone. So we're going to paste a link in the description section of this video. This is the link you're going to click on, then open in your default browser, or you copy the link and make sure you open it on the browser where your Facebook account is already logged in. So take note. First of all, what we want you to do is to log in your Facebook account in the browser you want to use or the default browser of your device or of your phone. So you visit facebook.com, you enter, then you log in your account on the browser which you are going to use or the browser that is the default browser of your mobile phone. So after that, click on the link. It's something like facebook.com/billing, which we're going to share in the description section. And we're also going to mention it in the course of this video. All right, guys. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget, like this video and share this video to your friends. Okay. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's show you how to fund your prepaid ad account. Okay. So you see this tree link. 1, 2, 3. All right. So you're going to try any of these until it works. Take note, try all of them until it works. But the first one you're supposed to try is this one that is www.facebook.com/billing hub payment settings. Okay. Don't forget there's also a dash. So we're going to copy this link and provide it in the description section of this video. Firstly, I'm going to copy this link. Okay, so I'm going to copy. You can copy or you click on open in Chrome or open in Safari or whichever browser you use, or you could copy and go and paste it there. All right, so I'm just going to copy for now. So I'm going to click on this link, the www.facebook version. Okay, so I'll click on this one. Okay, so this is another way for you to do your funding in case you're unable to fund with Meta Ads Manager mobile app or with the Facebook main app or with the Instagram main app. So you're going to allow it to load up. So usually it redirects to m.facebook.com. Okay, now you have the option to switch. Don't forget, we always recommend do not use a personal ad account. Use the prepaid ad account we've created for you, particularly the business prepaid ad account or business postpaid ad account for international clients. So whichever one, but in this case, you most likely want to be funding a business prepaid ad account. So you switch to that business prepaid ad account. So you click here, then you select it. For yours, it won't show like this. This is because, we're an agency, so we have a lot of ad accounts we use to serve clients. But for yours, it will just show about 2 or 3 ad accounts, okay, on average. So you select one, then you continue funding. So you select one, then you continue funding. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so you can see. Now, whichever amount you want to fund, you're going to decide. I'll click on add funds. So I'm just going to add a small amount. Okay, so then I'm going to use the pay by bank transfer. If pay by bank transfer is not working for you, use your ATM card. So Visa, so you're going to go for the last option. Let me read it out. Pay in Naira with Verve, Visa, or MasterCard. So if you want to use your card details, or you just go for pay by bank transfer, or you pay with USSD. So these are the 3 recommended ones. But for this video, I'm going to focus on pay by bank transfer. Okay, so you can also click on always show pop up, or you click on the open pay by bank transfer. But make sure that the browser you're using, you must have logged in your Facebook account already. So whichever browser that opens, make sure you log in your Facebook account. So you copy these account details and go and pay. For those of you in Nigeria, you could use OPay. Okay. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to pay with OPay. So you can see it's very simple. Click on done. Then you go back. You could just click on save invoice, but the money has reflected already. So you can click on go to website or go to Meta Ads Manager app, and you're going to see the balance there. So you can see verification is pending. Okay, so you can see they said once we receive verification we will add you. Okay, it will be added to your account. You can now close this window to continue. Okay, so you can close this window here. Okay. Or you could go back. Let me copy this link again. Okay, so now I'm going to, don't forget I said log in your Facebook account. So when I said log in your Facebook account, what I meant is you open a new tab on the browser your phone usually redirects you to, or the default browser of your phone, or whichever browser you want to use. Then you search, you click on facebook.com. Then make sure you are logged in. Log in through facebook.com. Okay. So this is what we are recommending. Follow the guideline. Make sure you're logged in first. Okay, so you can see that I'm already logged in. So, but once you visit facebook.com, you see a login page where you're going to log in. Let me show you what you're going to see. Something like this. Let's assume we are using Safari as our default browser. Once I click on facebook.com, you're going to see where to log in your account. Okay, so it's something like this, you see? So you log in your account. After you log in your account, you can then copy the link. So let's assume that our account has been logged in already. This is the other method. If you don't want to click the link in the description section, you copy out the link. So let's assume that we have logged in already. So I'm going to open a new tab. Then I paste the link I copied that we provided to you. So you click on go. It's very simple. Then it's going to take you to the billing and payment page. Usually it's your personal ad account that is going to come out first. Now, if you want help in setting up the business ad account or business prepaid or postpaid ad account we talked about, contact us through our support channels, particularly on WhatsApp or on Instagram. Then we're going to tell you what to cost you for us to create one for you. It also covers professional setup and a whole lot of things. We're going to break it down for you so that you understand what exactly you're paying. It's actually beyond the business prepaid and postpaid ad account. Okay, so I'm going to switch. This is my personal ad account. I'm going to switch. So once you select your preferred business prepaid ad account that you want to fund, okay. So you can see, I'm going to show you the one we just did. I think we went out of funds, so that's why they deducted some money. Okay, so I clicked on payment activities. So you can see funded 100 naira. Okay, so this is the one I just did now. Okay, so if you want to do yours, you know what we did earlier. So just click on add funds and follow the on-screen instruction. For other methods on how to fund your prepaid ad account on Facebook and Instagram, kindly visit the description section of this video. So if you have any question, drop a comment. If it's too complex, kindly contact us through our support channel. See you guys in the next video.